Hi everybody, this is Mary from Stampin' Camp with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is There's a Card Thursday. And I want to show you this card I made with a technique that we just learned, or that I just showed you on Tips and Techniques Tuesday, called the watercolor spritzing technique. Let's bring this up so you can see the full card. Here. So what we are going to be using in this is I am using Painted Poppies and Peaceful Moments. For ink, I am using Poppy Parade and Old Olive Stampin Write Markers from the Bright ones and the Regals. I am using an 8.5 by 5.5 piece of gorgeous Grape. I'm using 3 pieces. This is a 5.25 by 4-inch piece of, these are Peaceful Poppies Designer Series paper. This is a 2.25 by, I think it's a 2.25 by 3.5. Yeah, 3.5. And then this is a 2.25 by 2-inch. And then I'm using some watercolor paper. This is 2 by 3.25, and this is 1 3/4 by 2. And what else? I am using glue dots, Stampin Dimensionals, and I am using one of our spritzers filled with water. Now the first thing I want to do is I want to do this first because these have to dry. I am just, there's the thank you. There's the poppy. I am just going to stamp this first. I am making the poppy with the Poppy Parade and Old Olive. Just coloring that in and coloring that in. Okay. Let's bring that down so you see that. And then I'm going to color this. Now again, you want to use the side of your marker, your paintbrush side, but you want to use the side, not the tip, to do this. You never want to work on the tip of these markers. That just destroys them. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my spritzer, and you want a spritzer that spritzes really lightly, and a big thing, you don't want it to dribble out. And I'm just going to spritz that. Then I'm going to take my watercolor paper, and I am just going to, there, put it on the watercolor paper. Now I'm going to let it dry. Now I'm going to take the Poppy Parade, and I am going to do the thank you with Poppy Parade. Now you could do it on a regular pad if you want to, but I'm just doing it this way because I had the Poppy Parade out. Okay. And then I am going to spritz that. I'm going to flip it over, and there we go. Yeah, a little much. And now you just want to set it aside to dry. And I am going to clean these off. And then I am going to make a card base out of the gorgeous Grape. And then the Peaceful Poppies, I'm just going to, there we go. I'm hoping these are dry, and I am just going to carefully, without touching the now I'm going to put this on with glue dots. Let me reach over and get some more glue dots. I thought I had some. And I'm just going to put that up here. And this is just the opposite side of that piece of designer series paper. Now I'm going to put this on, and this isn't dry yet, so definitely don't touch it if it's not dry. And now on this one, I'm going to attach it with Stampin Dimensionals, mainly because I didn't measure the first time I did this, and I just measured what stamps I was using. And there we go. How do you like that? So please follow me on YouTube. Everything you would like to make this card, everything you need to make this card is listed below. Please, I really would appreciate it if you purchase your Stampin' Up! Products from me and help my small business out to continue to make these great videos for you. Thanks for visiting, and happy stamping. Bye-bye.